In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Microsoft account and sign into Microsoft Teams. To begin, we will start by navigating to the Microsoft Teams sign-in page. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button and give it a click. This will take you to the login.microsoftonline.com site, where you'll be starting the process of creating a brand new account. As you find yourself on the sign-in page, you might notice a small link that says, Create One. Just beneath the sign-in credentials area, go ahead and click on this link. This begins the account creation journey. Here, you'll need to enter your preferred email address. It's important to choose an email that you check frequently, as this is where Microsoft will send any communications regarding your account. Once you've entered your email, hit the Next button to proceed. Now it's time to come up with a strong password that you'll use to access your account. Remember, a good password is a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, something that is both memorable and complex enough to keep your account secure. After you've decided on a password and typed it in, go ahead and click Next once more. Next, you will need to fill out some personal information, beginning with your date of birth. Choosing the correct month, day, and year is crucial, as this helps Microsoft verify your identity in the future if you ever need to recover your account. After inputting your birth details, click Next to move forward. You'll then be asked for your first and last name. Enter your full legal name, as this will be associated with your Microsoft account. After providing your personal details, click Next again. You are almost at the finish line. Once you've completed all these steps, you will have successfully set up your Microsoft account. If you didn't make any mistakes in the previous steps, you should see a confirmation screen. At this point, you're free to explore Microsoft Teams and start utilizing all of its features. Remember to log in using the email and password you just created whenever you want to access Teams. Congratulations on creating your new Microsoft account. This account is not only your gateway to Microsoft Teams, but also to other Microsoft services like OneDrive and Office Online. Enjoy exploring all that Microsoft has to offer, and of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out for help or browse through other guides. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful time with your new Microsoft account.